These voltages are measured in the main unit. There are two types of main units, rack mount and all-in-one pedestal. Whichever one you have will determine how you get to the boards. For a rack mount system, loosen the two Allen screws at the upper left and right corners of the main unit, then lower the door to access the boards. For an all-in-one pedestal, lock the wheels on the pedestal. This will make it easier to remove the main unit. Remove the pedestal covers to reveal the main control unit. There are two screws on each side and two screws in the middle. Once the covers are off, unplug all the cables and remove the silver retaining bar. Taking care not to damage the two cables at the top of the box, take out the main control unit and place the box on a table. Take the side covers off the control box, 6 screws on each outer end of the box to reveal the circuit boards. Whether your box is rack mount or all-in-one, each board is labeled and has color-coded tabs. Plug all the cables back in and turn the injector on. With your multimeter in DC mode, measure the 5 regulated DC voltages on the PSP board and verify they are within manufacturer's specifications. Be careful not to accidentally short one of the test pins to the heatsink behind them. If you wish, place some electrical tape on the heatsink for insulation. There are no adjustments to these measurements. If they are out, you must replace the PSP board. Turn off the injector. Remove the pre-programmed injection or PPI board. If this is a rack mount system, there may be a retaining bar in the way. If so, loosen the 2 screws on the top of the rack and pull out the retaining bar. You can now measure the voltage of the 3-volt DC battery on the PPI board on the 2 posts of the battery on the back of the board. The voltage should be greater than 2.6 volts DC. Be sure to put the PPI board back into the PPI slot, not into the empty SWC slot right below it. And make sure it's fully seated. Sometimes it's a tight fit.